Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be getting ready, but before I do, I want to show you this really cool device that I got for my hair because not only am I going to be doing my makeup in this video, but I'm also going to be doing my hair. I got this in the mail. I haven't opened it yet. I'm super excited. In this big box here, we have an item from a brand called Wavy Talk. It is a 5-in-1 hot airbrush set. You get to see it before I do. Oh, look at the color. That's so cute. Okay, so we have, this is obviously the handle. You're going to control like the high, low, cool, and like the off button is going to be there. And then you have the standard blow dry brush. This piece is going to be the hair curler. This one here is just going to be like a regular brush. I unfortunately don't have curly hair, but this is a diffuser. And then this is just a regular part. It's just going to pop right onto this, and you can use like say another brush if you wanted to brush your hair. This is going to act as like a regular blow dryer, obviously with no brush. So I think this set is super cute. Before I'm going to apply any heat to my hair, I want to go in with the heat protector. I shampooed my hair and I did like a deep condition, and then I sprayed like a leave-in, and then I'm just going to go in with the heat protectant and blow it out, make sure everything is nicely distributed. Unfortunately, I cut my hair about 8 months ago and I cut a lot off. It was probably like up to here, and I thought short hair was my thing. Like short hair is really cute and like it's easy to take care of. The only thing is the short hair, you have to style it every single time you take a shower. I don't really like that. I don't have time for that. I really like to let my hair air dry, especially during the summertime. At work, I tie my hair up in a pony, and it keeps that bump from the ponytail, and I absolutely hate that. Hair has just always been like a struggle for me. I went ahead and plugged it in. This is the device, like a little thing right here where you can unlock and lock the pieces in. It comes with a heat glove with some hair clips, and then also comes with a really nice carrying case. I'm gonna use this one. You press it down like that. You just hold the button down and you slide it over, and then it locks in. Okay, it gets hot like really fast. Immediately, the first thing I noticed, this is so much lighter than my regular blow dry brush. I mean, like, it weighs like nothing. I also like the fact that you can detach it. It's so much easier to clean. I want to see if I can play with my bangs a little bit with the curling brush. Easy to damage them, so I'm just gonna put it on low. So again, you can see the volume. I really like this. And there's a cool setting too. If you don't care for the heat, I like it. I like it a lot. So my finishing touches, I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on the end. So I'm using the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. I'm trying to, you know, like I said, grow out my hair. So we are trying to avoid split ends. And I'm just gonna put it on my ends, keep them nice and hydrated, healthy, so my hair will grow longer. And I made a video actually, and somebody was like, why are you spreading this information? Because your hair doesn't grow from the bottom, it grows from the top. But I can tell you why I said that. When it grows from the top, if your hair is like broken and damaged, it's just gonna keep breaking off on the bottom, so you're never going to actually see the length. Here is the finished product. I feel like my hair is really light. It gave it that little shine that I was looking for. I honestly don't know how we ever used flat irons. Like, what is the point of using flat iron when you can just like use one of these? You know? I love that product. There will be a coupon code. We are giving you a discount. That is going to be on the screen, but I'm also going to put it in the description box. So go check them out. Buy one of their products. I believe these come in a couple different colors, but I really enjoy the pink. I think this is a beautiful color. I'm just gonna put some makeup on real quick. It doesn't have to be anything crazy because it's really hot outside. First, I have this Flawless Prime. Just taking a little bit of this primer. Go ahead and take it and like dab it under my eyes. This is just so the concealer holds better. My moisturizer is oil-based, so I feel like the concealer slips a lot easier when I don't have primer on. Now I'm gonna do some eyebrows. This is by far the best thing I've ever used for eyebrows. It's the Maybelline Express Brow. I actually love this stuff. And the brush, an amazing little size here, and it lasts so long. The brush is like really precise too, which I enjoy. Definitely don't want to get crazy with my brows. I actually used to use a pencil for my brows. I just find this to be so much better and so much more natural looking. My hair is very freshly washed and it likes to get in the way of literally everything, and it drives me insane. And if I do too much, I can take my spoolie. It has like this end. I got it from Ulta. This I like to use for like the mascara. If I put mascara on too chunky, I rarely ever wear mascara, so that's never really a case. A little tiny bit of concealer. I am really tan, so this color doesn't really match my skin color anymore. Don't yell at me for using my hands. See what I mean? It's like way lighter than my skin color, but you know what? It does the job. Now that I look like a raccoon, I actually don't have the correct brush for my, this is the Ulta Beauty blush. I absolutely love this. The mascara that I never use. I don't even know why I own one. This is pretty risky and it could come out totally crazy, but literally going to use my finger to apply my blush. And before you say anything, I did it the other day. I was going out and my boyfriend and I were staying in a hotel and I did it and it actually looked really good and I blended it very nice. So trust the process. I feel like it gives my face a nice little lift and a contour when I do blush like really high like that and kind of prominent. The very last thing that I'm gonna do, and this is my favorite part, obviously, I love lip liner. I got this Boxum. This is actually a plumping lip liner that I got. Take one more sip of water before I put this on. This is in the color Smooth Spice. I usually do pretty heavy in the middle, kind of like light as you go out. You definitely don't want to make like two full lines. And I have like a double lip line, so I can easily mess that up and look crazy. I just really like to blend that part out. I have a lip gloss to add. So this is e.l.f. The first one that I had was this, and as you can see, I used the crap out of it. I decided I wanted to try a darker color. So the lighter color is really pretty, but it's like super translucent. You can't really see a whole lot of color. It's called Crystal Baller. And then this color that I bought, that I'm gonna literally buy so many more of these because I'm obsessed. This is Princess Cut, and it's shiny and it's got glitter in it, and it has apricot oil. I notice a lot of lip glosses are like super drying. This is very hydrating and it does not dry your lips out. I don't know how crazy this looks. I need like a full mirror so I can actually see. For all I know, I could probably look like a clown right now. Used to having like my little mirror that's like bigger than that one. Let me see how I look in my camera. Yeah. According to this camera, I think I look fine. So this is my completed makeup look. Please don't forget about the blow dry brush if you are interested. The website is wavytalk.com, and I will be applying the discount code in the link below. So go and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.